Charts in Sematext. Charts help you visualize data and make long strings of numbers understandable at a glance. Within Sematext, you can make use of many different types of charts and graphs, from time series charts, bar charts, pie charts, donut charts, heat maps, geomaps, numbers for counters, and many, many more. So how do we make a chart within the Sematext cloud? Well, that's pretty easy. While within a report, simply look in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard and click Add Component. From here, you can select which type of component you would like to add. There are many different types to choose from, so feel free to use the search bar or the category filter on the left-hand side to find what you're looking for. Once you find the sort of visualization you want, simply click on it and that will open the chart builder. The first thing to notice is that a data series is already selected under the Data Series tab, and you can have multiple series within a single component. To add a new metric to your chart, click the plus icon and select which type of series you want to add. You can reorder these series by clicking and dragging them around. You can also toggle their visibility via the eye icon or clicking on the three dotted setting icons to see more options. When a series is selected, you are able to customize its parameter via the area on the right-hand side of the window. Starting with the Metrics tab, you can choose which metrics we want to visualize in our chart. Clicking on the Select Metric Input field will cause a drop-down menu to appear. From here, you can select which metrics you want. Note that you can select multiple metrics, but at least one metric is necessary. If you would like to transform and display metrics, you can create your own formula to modify the charted data under the Transformation tab. Here you can do basic arithmetic with your metrics. For example, you can add two metrics together to see the combined value in your series. For more on that or a full list of all supported arithmetic operators, click on the small information icon here. If you would like to filter out or group together multiple metrics, you can do so in these corresponding areas. At the bottom of this section, you can also select the rollup function. The rollup function controls how time buckets are built, meaning what aggregation is performed. Changing this feature is only recommended for experienced users. By default, all gauge metrics use the average rollup function, and all counter metrics use the sum rollup function. However, you can change between average, sum, minimum, or max as a rollup aggregation function. Nice. So now we have selected our metrics, but let's imagine that we now want to change our visual. Well, not a problem. At the top of this window, you will see a carousel where you can quickly cycle through different visual aids. As you switch, the chart builder will automatically update your inputted fields and create a chart preview for you on the left-hand side. Now let's style our charts. With the target data series selected, you can customize the stylization of said series. While these parameters may vary from one visual to another, they are pretty consistent across all of our visuals. Once your data series is stylized, you will want to customize the visual layout and legends themselves. This can be done on the other tab located under the Data Series tab. Be sure to add legends with descriptive titles and metadata so your team can know what they are looking at, and hit save. And with that, your new visual component is added to the report. You can resize the component by clicking and dragging the bottom right-hand corner and rearrange the entire report as you see fit. To re-enter the chart builder, click on the three dotted settings icon in the upper right-hand corner and click Edit Component. And there you have it. Create an endless amount of your own reports and components to suit your specific needs. Hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, keep monitoring.